So there's a little secret piece of meat in these black cod collars, and we call it the Black Cod Tender. It's this strip of meat right here, and it's pretty magic, and it's a total different texture than the normal black cod fillet. It almost has a scallop texture to it. It's really firm. So I'm just going in, running along the skin side, and it just comes right out.
Some black cod nuggies, as we call them. Better than chicken wings. We use a non-GMO California rice bran oil. It lasts quite a long time. It stays very clean, and it has a very high smoke point. So we got our better than chicken nuggets, our black cod nuggets. You saw Brian remove these from the black cod earlier in one of our videos. These are one of my favorite pieces of the black cod. It's a firmer textured nugget. It's completely different than any texture on the black cod. You only get 2 of these little things per fish. Most of the time, these end up in crab bait, but we take them out. We take the time to remove them. It's a perfect little appetizer. So we do this little sweet chili Tabasco reduction here. You know, game day, this is what you should be serving your friends. Why do you need chicken wings? And there's a perfect little happy hour appetizer. Game day black cod nuggies. Delicious.